Conducting A/B testing. About. ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for conducting A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful method for comparing two versions of a web page or app to determine which performs better. ChatGPT can assist with various aspects of A/B testing, including formulating hypotheses, designing experiments, analyzing results, and making data-driven decisions. By leveraging ChatGPT's ability to generate ideas and insights, you can increase the efficiency and effectiveness of your A/B testing efforts. I'm running an A/B test to compare variation A and variation B on my website app in order to increase specific metric, and I need help generating hypotheses based on specific data or insights. Can you provide recommendations for what to test and how to measure success? After running an A/B test comparing two different website app features, I need help analyzing the results to determine specific insights and decide on next steps. Can you recommend a statistical analysis technique to use based on the size of my dataset, sample, and the level of significance I'm targeting? I'm designing an A/B test for my mobile desktop app website and need recommendations on specific elements of experimental design, such as number of variations to test, length of the test period, and segmentation of test groups. Can you use ChatGPT to suggest best practices for my specific use case? I'm concerned that my A/B test results may be biased or unreliable due to potential confounding factors, such as specific user behavior patterns, seasonal effects, or changes in external factors. Can you help me analyze the data and recommend adjustments to the experimental design or sample size in order to control for these variables? I'm new to A/B testing and want to make sure I'm not making any common mistakes. What are some common pitfalls to avoid when conducting an A/B test for a specific use case, and how can ChatGPT help me steer clear of them? Can you recommend any resources or case studies that illustrate successful A/B testing strategies for similar businesses or industries? Tips. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine hypotheses for your A/B test, based on your specific goals and metrics of interest. Consult ChatGPT for guidance on sample size calculations and statistical tests to ensure that your A/B test results are statistically significant and reliable. Use ChatGPT to explore alternative experimental designs and interpret the results of your A/B test in light of any potential confounding factors or biases.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.